Hi friends, let me show you this set of 4 hooks to use them in my car. In the headrest, in the back of the headrest, you put them like this and you can hang anything from here. A grocery bag, your purse, your wallet, whatever you want. Let's try them. As you can see, these hooks are super easy to install. Just like that, you get 4, enough for any car. And these hooks will allow you to hang whatever you want to hang. A grocery bag, your purse, some gift boxes, whatever you need to hang, they will hold it, okay? So I think they are really practical. You can bring with you a lot of stuff and not leaving everything in the floor. So this is an easy to install, almost invisible accessory that will help you to bring your bags in a more order fashion. Okay, so perfect if you need hooks like this for your car. Thank you.